So I've got my woofbox delivery. I got to that because it's, and me and George are gonna open it up and see what we got. Hang on then. So first thing we got, let's have a look, is George, your head's in the way, puppy. You soak it in water. George, come here. Come here. That's it, sit there. It's Smart Choice, Lila Lolly. You soak it in water and it helps keep your pets hydrated, and apparently it squeaks. Apparently it squeaks, so we'll just rip the tags off of this now. Because it looks like he really wants to play with it. So that's the first thing, and then we got the Smart Choice Tough Canvas toy, this is, and it's also got some squeakers in as well, and he's now come back. There he is, back again. So I'm just going to rip the tags off of this while you just set my dog's head. So I've ripped the tag off of that one for him. I'll just throw that over there for him. And we've got a squeaky stick. He's just gone off for this, but this one is going to be harder for me to open, I think, because it's got these bits on it. But it says it's a durable rubber stick that's gentle on dog's teeth, and this one is the medium. I think I said that my dog George was a large breed. I'll get that one off later, I can't get that off. And then we've got this, which is, it just says it's from Hem and Boo, and it's a dog toy, and it does have a squeak in it. I'm just going to rip this off now because he's going to love this. We've got ducks and chickens at home, but he's not going to be too bothered between the two toys. So this has got a squeak on it as well. What do you think of that, George? And then we've also then got some treats in here as well. So what's this? So we've got Brew Bisque Healthy Treats, upcycled from craft brewery leftovers. So let's see what he thinks of these. Brew, come here. Come try this. Look, good treat. So, well, that one wasn't hit. Then what other treats have we got in? We've got a couple more bags of treats. We've got, oh, now I'm interested. Sit. We've got vitamin jerky bites, chicken and thyme, and these are made of air dried 70% meat. So we'll see what you think of this. I know. So, oh, my nails can't open it. So that's what they look like. Smells nice. What do you think of that? Well, he just swallowed that one whole, so apparently that one's a +2. Then we've got some Wag barbecue bangers. Now we use Wag quite a lot, so he'll probably already have tried these ones before. Can't even open the packaging. Oh, why is it so hard to open? Oh my god. Ah, there we go. God, that shouldn't be so difficult to open. And I don't think I still opened it. Come with me and you get some scissors. Right, finally got that reopened. Come in, George. Come here. Look. Try that one. Now, they look actually quite small. They're like this kind of size. I'll give him 2 because I was showing you. But again, he's just swallowed that whole. You can just about see his nose there. And we've got one last thing in here, which is from a company called Gnaw. It says, waste not, want not. No animal waste. And these are duck feet. Oh, that is grim. I have ducks. I have lots of ducks at home. So this is a bit for me. But, oh my god, it's like a full duck's foot. Oh, that's nasty. Right, so it is an actual duck's foot. What do you think of this, George? Stick your face in. Well, I mean, he's taken it away, so I'm guessing he likes it. So most of the toys have disappeared now. But we got loads in this box. I know I did get a extra toy, I think it was, but we got like 4 bags of treats. So I've got the Wag, the Brew Bisque, the Vitel, Vitamin Bites, and the Duck's Feet, which I can hear him chewing in his bed, he's really enjoying. Got 4 lots of treats. And then we got the boomerang kind of toy that's in his bed. He's kept that. We got this one, which was the squeaky stick that I need to get the lace stuff off. And we got the like duck with the squeaker in it, and it's really, really fluffy. He's actually real good at fluffy toys, so I'm not worried about him destroying these. They last months. And then we got the little Soak It ice lolly toy. So to be honest, I think I paid $28.99 for this box. And I'm actually really, really impressed with it. This box is ram-packed full. I did get a couple of flyers here as well. I got a save 10% off your next box. Never say no to treats. If you use, it says the code woofgift10. So I put that there. I don't think that's off the subscription. Yeah, it's not on subscription boxes or sale items, but it's on like they do woofbox do their own boxes, like birthday box, treat box, extra toy box. But yeah, if you use woofgift10, that's the code there. And then that was just like a little pup star of the month thing and a little newsletter which I will be reading. But I am super chuffed with this. I'm pretty sure I'll get it for like $28.99. It's originally $32, but I'm doing like a full month subscription of it, which does make it a bit cheaper. And my dog doesn't get many toys because everyone else always steals them. So he's got his own little thing now. And Roo, come here. Okay. He seems to really, really have enjoyed that, didn't you? Wait, come here. He's too excited now. Come here. There he is. Yeah, that's yours. I'm going to take it away.